2, 3, go. Hi guys, it's Butterboss, and I am here with another Pokemon review. This time we have the Darkrai tin. Here it is. It's Darkrai EX, 180 HP. He's a dark type, and here's the tin. I'll do whatever it's called, 160, whatever. Here's Darkrai, Mewtwo, Rayquaza. And here's the back. And let's get into this. So, here we have Darkrai, the card itself. Here it is. That's nice. It's really, really nice. So, we'll put him aside. And I'm just gonna get all these packs out. Here it is. And we have Genesect from Legendary Treasures, Dialga from Plasma Blast, Infernape from Plasma Storm, and Absol from Plasma Freeze. Let's start off with Genesect. Set that code card aside. Here we go. Dino, Mischievous, Snivy, Dwibble, Swaddle, Shiny Swaddle, Ralts, Altaria, Crushing Hammer, Gallade, and a Piplup. Pretty okay pull. There we go. Now, we have Plasma Freeze with Absol, as you can see there. And we start off with... Okay, we have the code card. We set these 3 over there. Put them behind these 2. Pachirisu, yes. That's nice. Voltorb, Bedlam, Tempole, Yonmask, Shadow Trade, Team Plasma card, Matang, Grovyle, that's nice. Crocodile, that is nice, Team Plasma, 140 HP, that's really good. Hammer in. Poison Headbutt, wow. And an Umbreon. That's nice. Another Team Plasma. There was a lot of Team Plasmas in there. And again, Pachirisu is awesome. So, now we have Plasma Storm with Infernape. There we go. So, again, set the code card aside. Put these behind this. We have Trubbish, Pratt, this guy, Zubat, Frillish, Durant, Grottle, Trubbish, Bouffalant. Whoa! Black Curum EX. 180 HP. Whoa, 200 damage? I have never seen this card before. What? Wow, that is nice. That's really nice. I'll set these aside. Wow, last pack. That, I would, if this pack is like crummy, I don't even care because, whoa. Yeah. That side, boom, there we go, and Muma, Throw, Kangaskhan, Drifloon, Aeron, Octillery, Team Plasma, this girl, Rare Candy. Oh, that's nice. Silver Bangle or whatever. Azelf. That's nice. That's a
legendary.
Yeah, this is a legendary. I already have this card, but if I get a Mesprit, I already have Uxie, Azelf. All I need is Mesprit. If you know the legend with Azelf, Uxie, and Mesprit, I cannot explain it all in this one video, but it's a pretty cool legend. So, let's show you the EX cards in this. We have Darkrai EX, which is really nice. And then I got lucky with Black Kyurem EX. I already have a Black Kyurem EX, but this one takes the cake. 200 damage. That is just nice. That is nice. That's just really nice. Out of all, we got Black Kyurem EX. Black Kyurem EX, Darkrai EX, both 180 HP, 200 damage, 90 damage. That's nice. And here we go. And that's it. So, bye. Hope you enjoyed.